Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to balance this reaction. Look, this is hydrogen sulfide, this is oxygen, this is water, and this is sulfur dioxide. Okay, to balance this reaction, at first we have to draw a table like this. This is reactant side and this is product side. So in the reactant side we have two hydrogen, then we have one sulfur, and here we have oxygen, that is 2. In the right hand side we have hydrogen, which is 2. Then we have here oxygen, which is 1. Plus look, here we have also 2 oxygen. So basically we are getting 3 oxygen. And then we have here sulfur, that is 1. So to balance this reaction means we have to balance the number of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen from both sides. Look, hydrogen 2 2, so hydrogen is balanced, sulfur 1 1, so sulfur is balanced, but oxygen here 2 but here 3, so oxygen is not balanced here. So we need to balance oxygen. So let me try. So if I multiply here by 3, that gives me 6, and if I multiply here by 2, that gives me 6. Look, if you multiply by something, that something must come before the atom. So these two must come before this oxygen. So these two may go here or here, because this oxygen may come here or here. We are not able to fix the position of these two. Since this atom may come from these two compounds, so to balance this atom may create problems, right? So here it is creating problem. So we have to be tactful to balance such type of atoms, right? So let me show you the way that you can apply to balance. You have to apply odd to even technique. Odd to even technique, right? Look, here 2 is a even number, right? Even. Look, here 1 is a odd number and 2 is a even, right? So if I take here even, then I will get here even. So even, this will be easy for us to balance. So to look, this one has come from here, right? This water. So if I multiply here by 2, right, then this will give us 2. So these two must come before this oxygen, that is here. So if I place here 2, the number of hydrogen will be 4. So let me update the number of hydrogen. So we are getting here 2 plus 2, that is 4 oxygen, right? Okay, 4 oxygen. Look, this is a even, right? This 4 is a even. Now it will be easy for us to balance this reaction. Look, okay, now hydrogen here 4 but here 2. So to balance the hydrogen, what can do? You can multiply here by 2, that gives you 4. These two must come before this hydrogen, that is here. So if you place here 2, the number of hydrogen will be 4, the number of sulfate will be 2. Okay, so our hydrogen 4 is balanced, but sulfur here 2 but here 1, sulfur is not balanced. So to balance the sulfur, what can I do? I can multiply simply here by 2, that gives me 2. These two must come before this sulfur, that is here. So if I place here 2, the number of sulfur will be 2, the number of oxygen will be 4, right? So here I have to take 4. So 4 plus 2, that gives me 6. So let me update the number of oxygen. So 6. Now look, hydrogen 4 so hydrogen is already balanced, sulfur 2 sulfur is balanced, but oxygen here 2 but here 6. So to balance the oxygen, what can I do? I can simply multiply here by 3, that gives me 6. These three must come before this oxygen that is here. So now oxygen 6 6, sulfur 2 2, hydrogen 4 4. So everything is balanced. So you can say that this is the balanced reaction. So now you have to change this arrow sign with equal sign. So this is the balanced equation, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.